guys, so it's Ashwarya and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So today I'm going to make an art tutorial, like I'm gonna make a scenery with oil pastel and paint colors, as I've said in the very first beginning of this channel that I'm gonna post different kind of videos like art, dance, vlogs. So here we go, and so it'll be fun making a scenery. So without wasting any time, let's go and start making the picture. So let's go. So guys, यहाँ पर मैंने इसके 3 पार्टीशंस कर दिए हैं. यू कैन यूज मास्किंग टेप. तो उधर से पहले तो आप उसके चारों तरफ लगा लो, लाइक इतनी ज़्यादा बाउंड्री रख के. उसके बाद इसके 3 पार्टीशंस कर दो ऐसे मास्किंग टेप लगा के. सो guys, I am done. You can see the painting in this, and also I'm gonna merge some pictures with this video, so go watch the pictures. So guys, this was it for this video. If you like this painting, you can tell me in comment section. Also, if you want any other art tutorial video, you can suggest me in the comment section. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, it's done. So I'll be posting one more art video after some time, so stay tuned for that. So thank you so much for watching my video, and take care and bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.